Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to be talking about some more hair, and in particular lace closures. And they're not your standard 4x4 closures because that is so 2014. Nowadays closures can come as big as 7x7. So I'm going to show you a few that I picked up from AliExpress. And if you're curious about the hair that I'm currently wearing, I just filmed a video on it. So if I look the same in a couple of my videos, it's because I binge film, because I don't really have a lot of time in my everyday life to sit down and do a video. So I'm actually getting ready for work, but I have a few extra minutes, so I was like, let me film. All right, so yeah, that video will either be up before or after this video. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so I am first going to show you some hair from Ross Pretty Hair. You guys know Ross Pretty Hair. All of their hair comes in these bags, and they are a vendor on AliExpress. I haven't found their store on any other platform, so I get my stuff from AliExpress. They always have discounts. Now, a majority of this hair I purchased during the 3/28 sale, but they're always having sales on AliExpress. Like Mother's Day is coming up, so I'm sure they're having some sales for that too. But a majority of the hair I've been showing you is from the 3/28 sale. All right, so let me show you what I got. So I got a closure, a 16-inch, I believe this is a 6x6 closure. Let me check. Yes, it is a 6x6, 16-inch transparent lace closure. Now, I'm very light-skinned, so you guys know that I have issues finding the correct lace color. Light brown will work, but I would definitely prefer transparent because then I don't have to worry about any kind of lace, anything showing. So at the time, I paid $69.95 for this. Original price was $81.95, but I had a shit ton of coupons saved up for these sales. So, yeah. And then in the package, it came in a, I think it came in a DHL package or a FedEx package, one of the two. But in the package, they sent along a wig making cap. I don't use these. I use standard mesh dome caps. These don't fit my head very well, so, I mean, I'm not going to be using this. But it's still nice that they send you something that you can, you know, make a wig on. And this is the hair. So it comes in this very large Ziploc bag, reusable. I love that. So it gives you a place to store your wig after you're done making it. Now, I believe this is Brazilian hair. I'm pretty sure it's Brazilian hair. That's usually all I buy. Now, it doesn't have a hair net to it, so I'm a little irritated about that. But it's whatever. Fresh out of the pack, the hair looks kind of rough, I want to say. It looks kind of rough, and it also has parting in it already, which I don't think I ordered that. But, you know, whatever. I'll get over it. I'll just spray it down. It doesn't look like it's plucked. It just looks like it's been separated and, like, you know, like trained. The hair has been trained to part like this. So if you do mistakenly buy a closure that has a part in it, all you have to do is spray it down with some water and comb it back, and those parts will close up. So this is a transparent lace frontal, which, let me see about that. Yes, I would definitely say this is transparent. So let me show you. That's what it looks like. And it has the double-lined lace perimeter right here, which is what I like. And then it also has baby hairs. Now, I'm not sure if this is pre-plucked or not. It kind of looks like it is. Let me see. Let me see. It doesn't say it's pre-plucked. So, yeah. It doesn't say it's pre-plucked, but it kind of looks like it is. The knots are not bleached, but it wasn't advertised as having bleached knots. So like I said, this is a 6x6 closure. Now, you know, honestly, I kind of wish that closures were more in like a square shape. That way you have 6 inches all the way back, because all closures kind of curve like this. So you really only have 6 inches down the middle. So just saying. The hair itself feels a little coarse. This is supposed to be Remy hair. The ends need some help. The ends definitely need some help, if you can see that. And it kind of looks rough. Do you see what I mean? Like there's a lot of short hairs in here, and the top looks thicker than the bottom. So that makes me think they have a lot of short hairs in here to make it look thicker, which is what I'm going to go with on how to explain that, because either the hair is breaking, but it shouldn't be because this is supposed to be virgin hair, or they just put in a whole bunch of short hairs near the lace in order to make it look thicker than it is. I think this is supposed to be 130 density. Let me look real quick. Oh no, this is supposed to be 150 density. So I would be afraid to see what the ends of 130 density looks like. It looks true to length. I'm not going to break out a measuring tape because it's not that deep, but yeah. I think after I put some water to it, we're going to see what I can do with this. The luster is, you know, average. It's not anything deep or anything. It does have a lot of lint in it. Do you see that right there? I don't know if my camera will focus on it. Do you see this little ball right here? It's either like tangled hair, but it kind of looks like a ball of lint. And there's also some on the ends too. So this, I don't know. This kind of looks low quality, but we're gonna see what I can do with it. Let's see if it has a smell. No smell. But overall, this is not the quality I usually expect from Ross Pretty Hair, I'll be honest with you. This kind of seems like it was their bottom of the barrel, let's kind of put it on sale so we can get rid of it kind of hair. So, yeah. And it's also shedding as I'm reviewing this video. There's hair on my shirt. So, yeah, it's shedding straight out of the bag. Do you see this? Do you see? So that's definitely not promising. All right, rolling right into the next two products I ordered from a new hair company. They're not new in general, but they're new to me. It's Barry's Fashion Hair, and I ordered two closures, 5x5 blonde body wave closures. They're Brazilian body wave, and yeah, bleach knots, natural hairline, Remy hair. So let's get into it. So I ordered two. One is 12 inches and one is 14 inches. They come in these bags right here with the sticky, so they're not really reusable. But I do like that they have what you ordered right here on the bag. 5x5, 12 inches. And then it also has their little tag on here. The closures are in a hairnet, as you can see. Now, because these are blonde hair closures, I would expect the lace to be transparent, and looking at the description, it says it is. So, yes, I would go with transparent. That's what it looks like to me. It does have these little baby hairs, and this one looks pre-plucked too. Let's see, as far as being 12 inches, I am going to have to disagree with that. This looks more like a 10-inch closure. But it's not really bothering me because it's going to be a short wig anyway. I had planned to cut it. But when I order 12 inches, I expect to get 12 inches. And I'm going to say this is not 12 inches. It also has two, I mean, I'm being nitpicky now. It does have two dark hairs in here. There's one that just came out. I don't know if you can even see that with my camera. But there's one dark hair in my hand right there. Let me run my hands through it. It's shedding a little bit. The hair feels soft up here, but then the closer you get to the edges, or the ends, it feels rough. So what it feels like is that this hair has been processed. It's definitely not virgin blonde hair. And you can feel the processing more towards the ends. And also, if you can see, the ends look a little bit thinner than the body of the hair, so that makes me think there's a lot of breakage. I'm sure if I go like this, we'll be able to see it. Yes, you see all that breakage? Now, this is blonde hair. And if you order blonde hair, you know you're not going to be getting the same quality that you will be getting if it's virgin dark hair. Or if you happen to find a company that sells virgin blonde hair, please let me know, because that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the same quality that I get with my dark hair with my blonde hair, but I haven't been able to find it because a majority of the blonde hair that I buy has been processed blonde. Now, if you're looking to, you know, spend a pretty penny on some hair, then there are companies that have higher quality hair than AliExpress, but I'm a wig wearer, so I can take my hair off. I never get sew-ins really, so I have the luxury of being able to take my hair off and, you know, putting the time in to keep it maintained rather than a sew-in where you kind of just don't want to be bothered with it. The reason you have a sew-in is because you don't want to be bothered with hair maintenance. You know what I mean? You kind of want the hair to just be, you know, fluff and go. So you want to spend some more money when it comes to having sew-ins. Being a wig wearer, I can, you know, stand to pinch a few coins. So that's what I do. But, I mean, this closure doesn't look really any different from any of the other closures that I've purchased from AliExpress. This is a 5x5, like I said. The knots are bleached. I mean, I would hope so since it's blonde hair. Like I said, there are a few dark hairs in here, but I'm not too concerned about that. I'm just hoping that, you know, when I put some water to it, it's not going to turn into straw. Y'all know already about my violet hair experience. If you haven't watched that video, I'll leave it somewhere in the cards or down below in the description box because, either way, so I hope I don't have that experience again, but straight out of the bag, it seems okay. Let's see if it has a smell. It does kind of have a smell. Kind of smells like someone's head. Does that make sense? It's not fresh smelling, but it's not chemical either. It smells like someone's head. So we're going to see if that comes out when I condition this. But this is what it looks like straight out of the bag. A little short, but, you know, average looking closure. All right, so the last closure I'm going to show you is the 14-inch. And this is also from Barry's Hair, another 5x5 closure. I forgot to mention where I heard about this company from. They're new to me, but I watch a lot of Malibu Dollface's hair reviews because he does bomb hair reviews. He does a lot of things with his hair. He'll color it, he'll bleach it, yada, yada, yada. So you know what your expectations are based off of what he has done with hair. And I like that a lot of his hair, he puts through the ringer. He just doesn't plop it on his head and say, oh, it's good hair. You know what I mean? Like when you can bleach some hair and it still has life to it, that's how you know you got some good hair. So that's how I heard about this company through him. And, you know, I'm happy about it. All right, so this looks true to length. This looks nice. Now this is 14 inches and this looks significantly longer than the 12-inch. This also seems to have more shine to it. Do you guys see that? I mean, I'm not sure, but it definitely seems to have more shine. It seems softer too. It seems, oh, well, it's shedding already. There's some shed hair right there. Can you see that? It's shedding. The hair seems strong though. It's not snapping when I try to pull it apart. So that's good. It definitely looks like it's thicker on the bottom than that 12-inch was too. It doesn't have that tapering effect, it looks like. This is also transparent lace, of course. You guys have already seen that. I don't need to show you again. Yeah, this one looks better. This one looks better. Okay. It feels better too. Okay then. It's shedding though. It's shedding. After I wash it, we'll see if that still happens, but right now it's shedding. All right, let's see if it has a smell. All right, same thing. It smells like it's off somebody's head. Not chemically, not fresh. It smells like someone's scalp, so yeah. Anyway, yeah. I like this one better than I like the 12-inch one. All right, let's talk about price for Barry's Hair. So the 12 inches was $50.23. The 14-inch was $57.43. However, I had a lot of coupons. So altogether, for these two closures, I paid $96.66. It's So it's a great deal. Like I said, AliExpress has a whole bunch of sales coming up. They always have sales during the summer and during Christmas time, but you have Mother's Day coming up, you have Easter coming up, you have 4th of July. So definitely start saving up your coins if you are looking to purchase some hair. AliExpress will have it for you. I have reviewed a whole bunch of AliExpress vendors here on my channel. None of them have sent me hair. I purchase all of my own hair, so you are guaranteed to know my 100% honest opinion. So if you are getting ready for that sale or for all the sales coming this summer, definitely check out all of my hair reviews that I've done. You'll see them. I've been doing them for years. And also check out Malibu Dollface because he gets hair, so he's able to review a lot more. Me, I'm on a budget. So definitely check out his channel too if you are looking for some hair. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. And of course, I'll be having some update videos on this hair. I'm planning on making a few wigs. I ordered some blonde hair from Nadula Hair. This will be a first for me. I've never ordered 613 hair from them, so I am hoping that it is not shit. I'm hoping. Anyway, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye!